Good morning, dear student. I am your English teacher. Today we shall discuss descriptive paragraph based on a verbal clue. In previous video we discussed descriptive paragraph based on visual clue. Today we shall discuss descriptive paragraph based on verbal clue. You will get the hints or some hints you will get, and you will write a descriptive paragraph based on those hints. Okay. So how the question will come in your exam? So we will see on the board, like this type of question will come. Write a descriptive paragraph on your role model based on clues given. This is a verbal clues. Verbal clues you will get in like a type of box. You will get name of the role model, why do you admire him or her, his or her qualities that appeal to you the most, his or her traits, achievement, etc. Suppose a descriptive paragraph is based on your role model. So role model is your any actor, your father, your mother. So why you like your role model? What is the achievement? So all you will use all these hints, and you will write a descriptive paragraph based on the verbal clues. Okay, how you will write? I'm just telling to you here. Like I took this. I choose a father. Father is role model. Okay. You can change according to you. If you like any cricketer, you can write on that cricketer, any sports person like any celebrity. You will write any celebrity. Okay. I have taken here a role model of the father like this. My father is my role model. He is the person I admire the most in my life. It is because he is very hardworking and down to earth person. Although he was born in a very poor family, he defied all odds and became an engineer through his sheer hard work and willpower. It is due to his efforts that I am able to live a comfortable life. He never boasts of his success and keeps hard working. The other quality that I like about him is that he treats everyone with respect. This is a quality of the father I am talking about here. Suppose you get this type of questions, role model, so you can write about your father also. Okay, if you are girl, you can write your mother also. Okay, so I have taken an example like my father. Okay, you can change according to you. So he is all like the other quality that I like about him is that he treats everyone with respect. He treats everyone with respect, be it his superior or subordinates, young or old, rich or poor. He treats to everyone with respect, not the matter he is poor or rich. He treats same to everyone. He is also cool and composed in times of difficulties and never gets bogged down due to them. He is not only a father but also a friend to me. He is not only the father, he is also my friend. If I'm having any problem, so I can easily discuss with my parents or especially my father. It is who I consult first whenever I need any help or suggestion. In my life, I believe on living life to his ideal, which is simple living and high thinking. It was a descriptive paragraph based on verbal clues. It was a question based on the uh, paragraph on your role model. I choose here a role model as a father. Okay, you can choose according to you. So firstly, how you will write? Firstly, you will make the box, and inside this box you will write this descriptive paragraph. Okay, students, it was a descriptive paragraph based on the verbal clues. In next video we will see a descriptive paragraph based on visual clue. Okay, thank you very much, student. Have an amazing day.